we're looking at, right? That's going to create the issues, because now this storm has weakened to just a remnant low, a tropical depression, Ida, essentially moving through northern Mississippi, starting to work its way into Tennessee and then eventually Kentucky. The winds at about 30 miles an hour, but it's the rain that's going to continue to be a factor as this storm tracks towards the northeast. And we're going to still see some spots pick up more than 2 inches of rain, if not more than 3 inches of rain, which could be significant for some of these states here, again, from Tennessee to Kentucky. So a situation that we're going to continue to watch here as this storm moves towards the northeast. And of course, we're watching big changes in our weather thanks to a tropical system too. We've got a few things happening, and I wanted to start off with our water vapor imagery to give you an idea of what's happening in our atmosphere. You see this area where the winds are essentially spinning counterclockwise. It's an area of low pressure sitting off the coast of Baja California. That's what's playing a role in helping pull in some of that remnant moisture from what once was Tropical Storm Nora in Mexico. That storm falling apart, but again, we're going to pull in some of that moisture, and that's what's enhancing our rain potential over the next 24 to 36 hours, and it's why we're going into weather action mode as we prepare for flash flood watches to go into effect today. Now, we still have some lingering activity from overnight on Desert Doppler radar, so I want to take you into southwest Arizona, primarily southern Maricopa County, where a flash flood warning does remain in place for areas around Gila Bend. We're seeing the potential there that some of the washes there, or at least one of the washes, could see those water overflow its banks there. So just be mindful of that if you're in the Gila Bend area. That flash flood warning in effect again for another 10 minutes or so. But we've got showers and thunderstorms to the west of there. Some thunderstorms along the I-10 in case you're traveling from Buckeye past Tonopah towards California. Just know that a few thunderstorms could produce some heavier downpours and ongoing showers out near Ash Fork. As we go through the day today, plan on scattered showers and thunderstorms, essentially that threat across our state, including here in the valley. But for the valley, what you're going to notice is that the best rain chances, or the best chances for most widespread rain, will come tonight into early tomorrow morning. But that's not to say we won't see rain throughout the day. Again, that area of low pressure helping pull in that moisture. We start to see those storms fill in across the high country and in central Arizona too. And then by tonight into tomorrow morning, we see the bulk of the action here in the valley and across eastern Arizona. At this point, it looks like the bulk of the activity will be focused in central and eastern Arizona tonight and into tomorrow. Through the day tomorrow, it'll be eastern Arizona that gets the bulk of the action as the valley chances start to trend down after sunrise tomorrow morning. Then that area of low pressure quickly moves to the east, and it's essentially going to take that moisture with it, and we're going to start to dry things out by Thursday into Friday before we see more of that typical monsoon storm pattern this upcoming weekend. So for today, a flash flood watch goes into effect across the state, and it will remain in effect through the day tomorrow. In fact, for the valley, this alert is in place all the way through 5 a.m. Thursday. We could see periods of heavy rain throughout the day today, and then again, especially tonight into tomorrow morning, with as much as an inch of rain here in the valley, but some heavier downpours are possible. And again, if you live near our wildfire burn scars, that's the area of most concern, as heavy rain in those spots could quickly lead to flooding or flash flooding. Look for a high of just 97 today. Significantly, we'll call it cooler than it was yesterday. No triple digits. Then tomorrow down into the low 90s. We'll rebound into the mid to upper 90s through the end of the week, and then we'll see the hundreds, but only low hundreds this weekend with a slight chance for storms Saturday and Sunday.